Hi there, my name is John Moo and I'm considered by many as one of Australia's leading digital marketing experts. I've been in this field for over 14 years. I'm also a speaker and an international best-selling author of the book Internet Riches. I'd like to welcome you to my YouTube channel as I'm on a mission to help you grow your business and show you the right strategies, what platforms to use, and also share with you any cutting edge tools such as AI that can help you achieve your business growth. So on this channel, I'm going to share with you marketing strategies that's going to help you generate more traffic, more leads, and more sales. I'll be also reviewing other YouTube marketers' content and giving you my professional feedback on what works and what doesn't. Plus, I will also be interviewing professionals in all different fields in business. So if you're ready to take your business to the next level and unlock your full potential, subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you on the inside.